All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Sometimes we talk about stocks, sometimes we talk about passive income opportunities. Today we're going to talk about a couple of things. We're going to talk about Facebook or Meta. Their stock being down 25, 26% today, the biggest ever drop, I think, ever. Not too good for the Meta, or formerly Facebook, the biggest drop ever. We're going to kind of go over that a little bit. I know they're trying to get into the metaverse and really do the metaverse, but 26% drop, okay. Also going to check out the crypto bubbles, go over that a little bit, a couple of our favorite cryptos we're looking at. And then FTX, we're going to talk about that, do a little deep dive into that, go to their website and kind of talk about a price prediction for FTX. So, pretty good episode show today. Meta is down a lot. We're going to talk about that. FTX is going pretty good right now. Crypto bubbles. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency and stocks, and basically be able to look at them, analyze them, and if they do want to get them, understand how to get them. All right, let's go ahead and head over to Meta. So here we go. So look at it right here. Meta stock price plunges 25% overnight. Scrubbing 200 billion worth of value could be ranked as the biggest single day drop in the market history. Meta. The price shares of Meta, the parent company Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Meta Quest has dropped more than 25% in the previous day close. This morning, it reveals this first decline in Facebook daily active users. After closing at $323 Wednesday, it dropped all the way to $238. So that's almost $100, everybody. Bloomberg reported that the 200 billion plunge may rank as the biggest single day drop in the market value ever, as Meta struggles with the warning of young people and the CEO Mark Zuckerberg refocuses to aim towards the metaverse. All right, over here at Robinhood, I wanted to show you on the Robinhood platform. Take a look. Right here, Meta, January 31st, $310, $311, $316. Okay, let's do it. Look, there's a little bump right there. Okay, and then take a look at this drop. Honest to gosh, 323, boom, 241. So that's where, let's see where it's at right now. We're at 230, actively right now, 237. So in the last week, it's really, holy cow, everybody. It says Zuckerberg loses 29 billion in a day as Meta share crashes. Mark Zuckerberg lost 29 billion in net worth on Thursday as Meta platform stock market one-day plunge followed a disappointing earning forecast at the stock global tech landscape. Meta stock fell 26%. This is not even crypto. The crypto, that happens all the time. This is a regular stock. Erasing more than 200 billion in the biggest single day ever market value wipeout in the U.S. company. The pull-down founder and chief executive officer Zuckerberg's net worth to 85 billion according to Forbes. All right. So 26% down. It went down $100 in a day. Facebook, now Meta, is trying to move into the metaverse. Literally right now, people are 26% down. Holy cow. All right, let's go ahead and head over to Crypto Bubbles real quick, and then we're going to basically talk about FTX. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, over here at Crypto Bubbles, just as a platform I'm just showing everybody. So right here, FTX is what we're talking about next. This token is being traded at $41. Take a look. For the week, it's actually up 9.9%, but for the day, it's almost matched it, down 8.9%. Over here to the right, my face may be covering it a little bit, but FTX is up 158% for the year. And even it says for the month, it's down 2.8%. Now I added over here FTX to my favorites. So if I come up here and I go to my favorites, it's now inside my favorites. I got Dogecoin, the Sandbox Mana. Now look at Elon, just as a quick look. Elon is down 10% today. QSP, look at the QSP, up 114% for the week. Up 8% for the day. For the month, QSP is actually up 94%. Now look at the rank at QSP, ranked 500. So how do you find something that's real deep? You come over here, And let's say you want to find a crypto in the top 700. You click 700, and look, there's all kinds of things bouncing around. Now, we talk about buying the dip. Look at Astro right here is down 66%. You know, so you can kind of look at, like, you didn't even know. OXY up 43%. You click it, and look, for the year it's down 83%, but for the week it's up 43%. So again, that's why I'm kind of showing you the crypto bubbles. Also, you can drop it down. You go to the top 1,000 coins. You can go do a search right here. If there's a crypto you want to go ahead and search, and it'll pull it up. It actually lists the coins here, so you can kind of look at the chart. So just a really good feature, crypto bubbles. All right, so again, trying to educate everybody. Just a cool little feature. You can throw 5 or 10 of your cryptos in there. Can't throw the Meta in there because Meta's a stock. Again, down 26%. All right, FTX. Let's go ahead and head over there real quick. All right, FTX right here, coin market cap is up 11% in the last 7 days. It's down about 8% today. Clicking it. So yeah, from today, it's kind of down. So the FTX is going down right this second. Over at FTX's website, built for traders, by traders, trade a variety of digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin with low trading fees. The easy way to start trading crypto, FTX. Now, you know Tom Brady has been doing a trade, and he's getting into crypto. He's with FTX. You know, sign up and trade in less than 3 minutes. Trade new and popular cryptocurrencies and track your portfolio. An easy app to use. And it says, we are US-based and regulated. All right, checking over to the Twitter account. I wanted to show you this. One-of-the-kind NFTs for lifetime passes. Photo book with 20 years of icon photos. Experience available for the first time. So checking this out here. Right to you. That's fantastic.
FTX has arrived in Trail 5. So I just got one question. You in Miami?
If you D's in, you know I'm in.
Punto.
Of course I'm in. Why you gotta ask?
I like the sound of that.
You like the sound of everything.
Trading crypto with FTX? I'm in.
Is this about the new FTX arena?
We're in. Our city, our team, FTX. You in Miami?
FTX bought their Miami Heat arena down there in Miami. Pretty big thing. It's the FTX arena. I don't know if everybody knew that. Just like crypto.com bought the Lakers arena over there in Los Angeles. FTX is doing the same thing. And the big thing is the Super Bowl is coming, not this Sunday, but next Sunday. And there's going to be all kinds of commercials on there. And crypto.com and FTX is going to be all over there talking about what they're getting into and stuff like that. My prediction is definitely there's going to be one of your favorite Super Bowl commercials will probably be a crypto commercial. Also on FTX, they got NFTs that you can go ahead and buy, discover, buy, sell, and even create NFTs in just a few clicks. All right, what's our price prediction? So a month ago, this cryptocurrency was $49, $47. In the last 3 months, it actually went all the way up to $64. I actually think the Super Bowl commercial is going to really help this cryptocurrency out. A lot of people are going to hear about FTX, Tom Brady, what he's getting into. I think that this coin can definitely go to $45 to $47. Now, again, all our information is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial planner. Just sharing this information, education, and we're sharing this together. There's your FTX. Again, up 11% in 7 days, but down 9% in the last 24 hours. And going back over here to Meta, Facebook owner stock plunges towards the steepest drop on record, saying the quiet part out loud. Spooked investors. You know, the Facebook parent warned of the pressure of TikTok and Apple. You know, one of the roughest Meta conference calls in the year. So, yeah, Meta went down 26% today. Give us your thoughts in the bottom. I mean, they're trying to get into the metaverse. They're changing their name. They're making a commitment to it. But one of the biggest drops in the history for the company in one day. FTX, a lot of things going good with them. You've got the Super Bowl commercials coming up in a little bit. Played a little couple commercials for you. Pretty awesome. Crypto Bubbles, definitely a nice little platform to use. All right, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel. Click right here to see our most recent video. Hey everybody, Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner, bringing you cryptos and stocks all the time. We'll see you a little bit later on tomorrow.